Welcome to this technical guide on the Caro Conga 5290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Caro Conga 5290 isn't picking anything up properly, you're not alone. This common issue can occur due to a clogged brush or a malfunctioning motor. If left unattended, it can lead to a complete loss of suction and potentially damage your device further. Don't worry, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor if necessary, and possibly some cleaning materials to remove debris. To begin, ensure your device is unplugged for safety. Start by removing the screws located at the base of the device. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the cover off, taking care not to force it as you could break the clips. Inside, locate the brush motor, which is typically situated near the front. If you notice any unusual sounds or smells coming from the motor, it's likely that it's the culprit. To extract it, carefully disconnect any wires attached to the motor. Make a note of their positions or take a photo for reference. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place, applying even pressure to avoid stripping them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old motor removed, replace it with the new one, ensuring that all wires are connected correctly according to your earlier notes. Secure the new motor with screws, making sure they are tight but not overly so, to avoid damaging the threads. Now, gently replace the cover, ensuring that all clips click back into place and reinsert the screws at the base. Finally, plug in your Caro Conga 5290 and test it to ensure it's picking up properly again. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush and check for any blockages in the suction path. Maintaining your device can help prolong its lifespan and keep it functioning efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.